Do you remember when we used to run away through the night? There is a story about us two, and it's written about me.
वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। ये है मेरा दुर्गा पूजा से रिलेटेड दूसरा मेकअप लुक। इस मेकअप लुक को मैंने मात्र 10 मिनट में तैयार किया है, क्योंकि एक तो दुर्गा पूजा पे हमारे पास प्रॉपर टाइम नहीं रहता। मॉर्निंग में पुष्पांजलि देने जाना पड़ता है, फिर भोग का टाइम, और देखते देखते इवनिंग हो जाती है, फिर हम लोग शाम को घूमने के लिए जाते हैं। तो प्रॉपर तरीके से मेकअप करने का प्रॉपर टाइम ही नहीं मिल पाता है। इसलिए मैंने इस लुक को तैयार किया है ताकि 10 से 15 मिनट के अंदर आप अपना मेकअप लुक पूरा कंप्लीट कर पाए और दुर्गा पूजा का आनंद ले पाए। तो फिर चलिए शुरू करते हैं आज का मेकअप लुक। अगर आपको ये लुक अच्छा लगे तो प्लीज लाइक कीजिएगा, शेयर कीजिएगा और सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा मेरे इस चैनल को और भी नए मेकअप लुक देखने के लिए।
Made a map with all the stars, so you know you're not too far away from me. You're in light when it's my dark. I know this distance makes it hard for us to see. I've been waiting so long, I've been waiting so long, just to see you. I've been sleeping alone, I don't wanna let go. I can't forget you.
Up in the stars. Now I know I'm not too far away from you. I want you back inside my arms. This distance got me feeling so alone. It's true.
I've been waiting so long, I've been waiting so long, just to see you. I've been sleeping alone, I don't wanna let go. I can't forget you. I'll be waiting, I'll be waiting. I'll be waiting for you.
I'll be waiting for you.
I'll be waiting for you. I'll be waiting for you. I'll be waiting for you.
I'll be waiting for you. I'll be waiting for you.
I'll be waiting for you. Made a map with all the stars, so you know you're not too far away from me. You're in light when it's my dark. I know this distance makes it hard for us to see. I've been waiting so long, I've been waiting so long, just to see you. I've been sleeping alone, I don't wanna let go. I can't forget you. I'll be waiting, I'll be waiting.
that show